Hello everyone, welcome to Zahfa Mahardhika drawing channel. Today, I will sharing and teaching how to draw eyes part 2. This tutorial is similar to how to draw the male version of the eye part 1. Before started, I suggest to click like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's start. Like in the previous video, I will teach you in 3 ways. For those of you who are beginners, I suggest using the parallelogram and semicircle method. Now, I will teach you the steps in drawing women's eyes. Let's get started. First, draw a parallelogram. Next, draw a line and eyelashes on each corner and side of the curved line. Don't forget to put a line below it and also 2 eyelashes between the lines. Make the oval for eyeball. Then, make the line for the eyelids. Next, make the eyebrows. Finally, make the pupil and some details. Now, your picture is done. This method is suitable for children's characters or cute girls. First, make a flat semicircle. Then, thin the circle with an eraser. Next, make the curved line by following the sketch. After that, make the eyelashes. Then, draw the line with 2 eyelashes next to the line. Next, draw the ball eyes. Next, draw some details and a pupil. Finally, make the eyelid and an eyebrow. Your picture is done. The last way is the faster way than the others. First, make a line like this. Next, draw the eyelashes and the line under them. Then, make the ball eyes. Then, make the pupils and some details. Finally, draw the eyelid with an eyebrow. Your picture is done. In my opinion, the conclusion is the same as the explanation in the previous video. For those who don't know, I suggest watching previous video like this one. It's time I will put this tutorial into practice. Before that, sorry if my application is not satisfactory, because I'm in the process of learning to draw. So, let's get started. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, don't forget click like, share, subscribe, and comment this video. Thank you, and see you.